Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Jello using this Jello package. The ingredients that you're going to be needing are 1 full cup of hot water, 1 cup of cold water, a bowl to mix in, a whisk or preferably a spoon, a container to put your Jello to set in the fridge. So the first step is to pour in your gelatin powder. You can use any flavor you want, but we are using the grape flavored. I'm just going to rip the package open and I'm going to dump in all of the powder. Then you want to add in your 1 full cup of hot water. Mix that with a whisk. You want to make sure you stir this until it's completely dissolved. After that, you want to add in your 1 cup of very cold water. If you want the process to be even faster, you can always add in 2 cups of ice cubes. You have to stir that until the jelly kind of thickens, which will take about 3 to 5 minutes. And then after, you remove the unmelted pieces of ice and you can set that in the fridge for about 30 minutes. But for this one, we're gonna have to set it in the fridge for about 6 to 7 hours. Now we can grab our container and we're gonna pour this mixture inside of here. If you'd like, you can always get rid of the bubbles by using a spoon, but usually they go away on their own. So you can remove the foam from the top like that. This is the easiest way so that when your Jello sets, you don't see any of these bubbles at the top. Now you can close up this container and set that inside of your fridge for about 5 to 6 hours or 7 to 8 hours. Make sure not to wobble the container as much because you want your Jello to have a perfectly straight shape. So we're gonna take this right to the fridge. So here's the Jello. It's been more than 5 to 6 hours. I've left it overnight because I wanted the Jello to be perfect, so it's better to leave it overnight. Now I'm going to be showing you how I cut them. So usually we cut them in small cubes, so cut them just like that. Then we can use a bowl and a spoon to scoop out the Jello. I'm gonna go in the corner. Perfect. Look at that. It's great. So this is how the jelly turned out. I cut them into all small cubes just so that we can see it. You can see how perfectly shaped they are by shaking it, and it's not gonna lose its shape. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you for watching. Bye!